Is inversion difficult? Let's find it out.
Oh no!
No, absolutely not. Inversion with not only but also. Not only but also is used to emphasize two related points. For example, they won the match and they broke a record. What happened here? Very good. Some people did two things in the past. They won and they broke. Let's look at the inverted version. Inverted with not only but also. As you saw, the order of the first example is normal. We have the subject at the beginning of the sentence they, and it is followed by a verb won. But in the inverted form, we have to say, not only did they win the match, but they also broke a record. What happened? Notice how did comes before they in the second example. Here, nice and easy. That's inversion.
Only did I become a sis. Only did I become a sis.
Inversion with simple past tense. Look at the structure. Again, not only at the beginning of the sentence. Then did, then the subject, and base form of the verb. Put the comma, and then but, then subject, also, and the verb. Let's take a look at an example. They won the match, and then they celebrated. Here we have two actions, won and celebrated, which are two related points. We are going to invert this example. Put the not only at the beginning of the sentence. Not only did they win the match, but they also celebrated. Nice and easy. Now it's your turn. Can you invert this example? He forgot my birthday and he did not apologize. How could we invert it? If you can, please drop your answer in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and click the notification bell for more tips. See you in the next video.